Do you want to know how you can add symbols on your Metatrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add symbols to your Metatrader 5. Let's go ahead and start with the video. Go ahead and open Metatrader 5, which is on your PC. Make sure that you are logged into your demo or real account, and you can see symbols over here. If anything besides symbol is clicked, go ahead and click on symbols. Scroll a bit down and you can see click to add option. Go ahead and choose your symbol, tap on it, click enter, and the symbol will be added. It's quite simple, guys. I'll teach it to you again. Open Metatrader 5 and you can see symbols over here. If you scroll a bit down, you can see click to add. Go ahead and write down your symbol over here. So if your symbol starts with something like this, go ahead and search your symbol and you can see it will appear over here. Go ahead and tap on it, press enter, and then the symbol will be added. Now you can start checking the chart and starting place your order. So this is how you add symbols on your Metatrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.